Hello, this is DrSayus, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect a hard drive inside your computer case. So here is the bracket which the hard drive or SSD will be going into. It's recommended to have a 3.5 inch hard drive, but you can do it with a 2.5 inch. Here I'll be showing how to do it with a 3.5 inch. I'm taking out the 4 stoppers which will hold the hard drive in place. You can't have a hard drive moving, especially a mechanical hard drive, because there's already moving parts inside it, so you don't want the hard drive to corrupt itself. This bracket is used as a shock absorber so the hard drive is not able to move. So what you simply do is you put in the hard drive, you make sure the 4 holes at the side of the hard drive match the holes of the bracket, and then you simply slide in the 4 stoppers that you took out. And once you have the hard drive completely secure, it should slide in where the bracket was naturally. Make sure that the side with the ports on it, you're able to fit the cables through the case and connect it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and also let me know how you're getting on with your PC build.